Disclaimer. This is not a video showing you the best route to take to transport meth through the St. Louis area. Sorry, meth heads. I-270 is the busiest freeway in the greater St. Louis area, and in this video I show you most of the roadway. Starting at the southernmost portion of the freeway at I-55, I-270 forms itself as the Outerbelt for the greater St. Louis area. Most of the roadway is within St. Louis County, which is different from St. Louis City. St. Louis is its own city and is not a part of a county, while St. Louis County consists of suburbs that surround the city. If you are unfamiliar with my videos, I do speed up my videos in order to show more in a less amount of time. If you enjoy my videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. This part of the metro area is called the West County region, as it's pretty far west from the city of St. Louis, and it's still all a part of St. Louis County. St. Louis County is home to 994,000 people, down from its peak population of over 1 million in 2000. This stretch of I-270 between I-64 and I-70 is the busiest, as it carries nearly 200,000 vehicles daily. Just a few miles east of here is the St. Louis Lambert International Airport, which served over 15 million passengers in 2019. The final stretch of I-270 slices through the northern second ring suburbs of St. Louis before crossing over the Mississippi River and going into Illinois. This stretch in particular is one that I'm very familiar with. I grew up living in 5 states, and when I moved cross country, this is a route that we took often to get through the St. Louis area. And here is where I end the video. If you enjoy my videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. We'll see you next time. Peace!